Good afternoon. It's Friday, October 20th, doing our 1 p.m. update for the folks who are not VIP members of our community yet. This morning at 9 a.m. Eastern, we gave you our top 4 picks today. Short Generac, short Tesla, long LMT, long POW. Those are the 4 picks. And we also gave you just a general idea, general picture of also shorting the market, which we did at the open. We added to our like KRE puts, IWM puts. Now, the day has been a little bit challenging, but the top 2 picks, though, if you stuck with it, short Generac, short Tesla, look at that. Plenty of opportunity to make money. We did make money on this, but it was tricky, man. We got shaken out up there. We re-entered it. So we did make money on our top number 1 pick of the day, short Generac. What's it going to do here? The market's at a key level, man. A lot of charts like this where it's, things are breaking up right now, like as we speak on a million charts. Is it going to break these levels here and have a strong afternoon, or are we going to get rejected and close down at the lows? I don't know the answer to that. You see this everywhere right now. See that Tesla broke out, so we had the short Tesla idea. It worked, right? But you got to execute on this one. It's choppy, but overall, look, it's lower than it was at the 9 a.m. show. So short Tesla, our second idea, working as well. Hit all our targets, by the way. We gave you a target of 212.36 to 214.70. Let's see where it went. All right, it went to 210.42. It overshot our goal for today. 212.36 to 214.70 was the target we gave you at 9 a.m. this morning. And wow, did it do that? And I would kind of like stay out of Dodge now. 214.70 is the 200 DMA. If it stock closes below 214.70 today, then as we told you on the 9 a.m. show this morning, I think talking about, look at this big topping M pattern, right? It's really got to hold here. We had an M pattern before and it worked, went up, but 214.70 is your key level. If we close below that, all right, now it's above it. Now it's 215. If we close below 214.70, I think you're talking about a retest of these lows here. Well, I'll call it 155 to 165 over the next few weeks or a couple months, all right? So Tesla, big battle going on right now. All right, and it's going to continue until it close to see who's going to win this 214.70 level on Tesla. But man, did we call it yesterday? Short Tesla was our, kind of our number 1 pick yesterday. It wasn't number 2, but today also number 2 pick, short Tesla. All right, those are our top 2 picks. Long LMT is not working out, and we are kind of getting hurt on this a little bit because we have a size position. Actually, and I put out an alert earlier today also when it broke this 452 that we're headed for the 200 DMA at 456. Definitely surprised at this price action today. So LMT as of now not working out. That was our number 3 pick of the day. Definitely a little surprised at that. And number 4 pick, which we said more of a speculative pick, is POWW. So it's been kind of flat today, down 1%. There was a big bidder here just a second ago. Where was he? At 259. Was trying to buy like 27,000 shares. So don't know if I don't think that got filled. But that's our number 4 pick. We're swinging. So we're swinging positions in POWW and LMT. We're currently out of Generac and Tesla. Number one and two picks of the day. Okay. So other things we're looking at, man, crazy price action in gold today. It was looking good for a while, but this happened just as the market started reversing. You saw this dive at the same time as we're seeing reversals everywhere. How's VIXy looking? So VIX is near kind of fighting the low of the day. Look, we're at a critical juncture here with the market. I think what happens this afternoon is going to decide a reveal. I won't say decide. The market's going to do whatever it does the next couple of weeks, right? But it'll become more apparent to the rest of us and to the technical traders what's going to happen in the next 2 weeks based on how things close this afternoon. Very, very important levels that are being fought everywhere, okay? Now, with the market, though, potentially turning, what are some things that could be good this afternoon? I'm noting like gun stocks, RGR doing well. Maybe POWW is going to catch up. We got a swing in that, as I said. I also want to note Geo. I noticed some strength in Geo. I'm going to move Geo to the top of the list for this afternoon. All right. So, Geo's been in our basket of stocks we're following because of the war. And Geo over here bounced off a couple key levels this morning. All right, 2 levels. Let's see. You can see this on the daily. All right, the 200 and the 20. In fact, it overshot it, and now it's above it, sitting the low. Okay, opened. It opened right on top of the 20 and the 200. Had a bad morning. Now it's back above it, showing a nice bounce. It's been 3 days in a row. It's been bouncing off this 200 DMA. It's at the high of the day right now at 843. So this is potentially setting up to have a nice afternoon. And you know the thesis here, border security. So great thesis, you know, in terms of fundamentals can be improving here, but it does get weighed down with the market. So if the market's going to rebound, you add that good sentiment, the good expected fundamentals on top of this, maybe we can start breaking out this afternoon. 849. Okay, 849. It's got to break above that to really get moving. All right. But, you know, we gave the idea yesterday of POW in the afternoon, and that didn't quite work out either. So this is really speculative about what might happen this afternoon. Okay. But I got to give ourselves kudos again on the predictions of what's going to do great. Our number one and two pick, short Generac, short Tesla. That's really working out. Let me see if there's any comments. If you have any comments over in Rumble, you can put them in. On YouTube, you can put them in there. But let me see if there's anything else of note. Domino's, which had a nice upgrade the other day, initiation with a very large price target, I believe, from Deutsche Bank. Didn't move yesterday, but it's making a little bit of a move today. We're not playing that, though. No, the show started. Someone pinging me that the show hasn't started. Show hasn't started yet. So we have the wrong link in our hold on a second. Let's see. Make sure we have in our app the correct link. And we do have the correct link. Yep. All right. No, our show's ongoing. We're live, and everyone's seeing me message you. All right, we're live right now. The show is ongoing, but it's about to end. All right. So, in any case, let's see what we got going. All right. So, Generac, Tesla worked. Lockheed not working. Wow. Lockheed not pretty. Shoot. I hope we reduced a little bit of our swing position on that weakness. I'll have to check in to see if we did that. And that's about it, folks. All right. So now we are doing mostly day trading, about 8% day trading, 20% swing trading, and it's working really well. We're up nicely this week. We're up nicely this month. Much better than holding stocks that just go down straight all the time, which is what's been happening. Before that. So in any case, don't see any comments or questions over on. Let me just check Rumble one more time. No, don't see anything at Rumble. Don't see anything on YouTube. Say goodbye soon to TD Ameritrade. We got, which I'm not looking forward to. But with that, let's keep at it, and we're gonna kill it again next week. Wow, look at this! I just want to see while we're still here, is Tesla representative of what's happening in the QQQ? Maybe. Look at this. I'm telling you, critical levels here. Critical levels. Wow. Let me just check SPY. And I want to check VIX before we let you go. All right. So here's SPY. Yep. Wow. Crazy battle, man, at these inflection points. Unbelievable. This is going to tell the story of what happens in the next several days, probably. Let's go to VIX. Let's see how VIX is doing. VIX. Yeah. Okay. So I don't know. I can't tell you the future right now. All right. I do not know what the market is this afternoon. All right, but I'm still feeling good about our swing in Lockheed Martin and POWW. And with that, we're going to see you at 9 a.m. on Monday morning with another great top picks, another great number one pick. It's been like literally every single. We got to update our stats. Like last time we gave it to was 88% of number one picks go up for the day, 88%. I think we're probably up to 95% now, or go down, whatever the prediction works out. I think we're up to like 95%, something like that, of number one picks that we give you at 9 a.m. work out for the day. It's absolutely freaking unbelievable. So if you want a 95% chance of making a trade that'll be positive on Monday, all you got to do is open up our app, StoryTrading.com/app, install that free app, get your free trial. Then Monday morning, we'll give you a pick past performance is no guarantee of future results, but I will tell you the past performance, we're up to now probably close to 95% of our number one picks working out from the 9:30 a.m. open to the 4 p.m. close. We'll see you on Monday morning. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Have a great weekend.